morning. Let's look at minute 93. Let's read the directions. Circle the incorrect word in each sentence and write it correctly on the line. The first sentence, the puppies are fighting over the bone. Puppies. The Y should be an I and an ES. Puppies. Mike wasn't happy with his grades. The apostrophe is not in the right spot with wasn't. It should be was and apostrophe T. My mom is taking we to the movies. My mom is taking us to the movies. I is going to make pancakes for breakfast. I am going to make pancakes for breakfast. Mrs. Watson was my first grade teacher. The W in Watson should be capitalized because it's her name. Lena go to dance practice every day. It should be Lena goes to dance practice every day. We live on 789 Crest Drive in San Francisco. Francisco is the name of a city, and so it needs to be capitalized. Thomas are outside playing with his neighbor. Thomas is outside playing with his neighbor. The boys looked for their cat Fluffy all day. Fluffy is the name of their cat, so it needs to be capitalized. Please make sure you spell all your words correctly since they're right there in the sentence. Samantha can read much fast than I can. Fast should be changed to faster. Let's turn it over and look at minute 93 math. I'm going to do a subtraction problem to start off. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Cannot take 1, cannot take 2 out of that. So I change a 5 to a 4 and the 1 to 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. 80, 70, 65. It looks like we're counting by fives. We're going down. 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45. If it's easier, you could go the other way and go 45, 50, 55, 60, whichever way is easiest. Ava wants to buy 7 crickets. They are 9 cents each. How much money does she need to buy the crickets? Well, there are 7 of them. Times 9. Some of you who don't know your math facts are going to need to add 9 7 times. If you do know your math facts, then you're going to know that 7 times 9 is 63. And that is money, so we need a cent sign. 22 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1. Then we cross this way. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. If you need to, you can add 22 6 times. 6 times what is 42? 6 times 7 is 42. Okay. I know 6 times 7 is 42. 42 minus 42 is 0, so there's nothing left over. What time is it? It's not exactly to the 12 o'clock yet, so we go back to the 11. And then we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. If you said 11:58, 11:59, either one of those would work, but it looks like 11:58. Now we're going to look at the line graph that we have to the side here. How much time was spent doing chores on Sunday? So we're going to go down to the graph on Sunday. We're going to follow it up. Follow it across, and it says 50 minutes. And we're looking for time, so we do write minutes. Did the chore time increase or decrease? So now we're going to write one of these words, increase or decrease, from Wednesday, right here, to Thursday, right here, and it went down, so we would say decrease. Decrease means that it goes down. Between which 2 days was the greatest increase in time spent doing chores? Circle the answer. Tuesday to Wednesday was just 20 minutes. Thursday to Friday was 20 minutes. And Friday to Saturday, oh, look at that. Look at how big that one is. So we're going to go with Friday to Saturday. Good job. Please show your teacher your morning work and put it in your cubby, and then go to Lexia Core 5.